Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing cable versus streaming and what's the better choice for older viewers. Let's dive right in. Now, as we both know, both of these are good sources of entertainment, but as we're all aware, streaming services have primarily taken over the entertainment industry as compared to live cable TV. Both of these have their own pros and cons. Let's break it down. Cable TV has a few pros. For example, it has a more reliable source for live TV and sports. You can watch these things happening in real time as compared to streaming services. You have a wide variety of channels when it comes to cable TV, and a very important factor is that you do not need any Wi-Fi or any stable Wi-Fi connection. Now, there are a few cons when it comes to cable TV. For example, you have a very limited amount of flexibility with what you can watch and how you can control it. For example, you are not able to pause, rewind, or control the content you're watching. Another big factor is the fact that cable TV is comparatively more expensive than streaming services. Now, if we're to talk about streaming services, you have that flexibility to control and maneuver the content you're watching. Secondly, it is very cost effective and you're able to watch on demand content instantly. With these points in mind, if we're to answer the question which is better for older viewers, I would have to come up with the answer live cable TV, as it shows you a TV program happening in real time, which I believe is an important factor, especially when it comes to older folks. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.